Every day, we are surrounded by countless stories. Stories that make us laugh. Stories that make us cry. Stories that fill us with righteous indignation or sweep us up in a surge of triumph. Stories that make us celebrate, but can also make us question the world around us. Ultimately, stories bring us together. We use them to make meaning out of our experiences, to form and better understand our identities, and to build connections with each other. We use them to catch up, to flirt, to educate, to promote change. Everybody has a tale to tell, and if you're a veteran or current service member in or around the Chapel Hill area, we bet you have one or two to share as well. We would like to hear that story, and we would like to help you tell it. So check us out online and register today. It's your story. You should be the one writing it.